Geil. Alter. Krass. Moin. Verdammt. Have you heard these words before? Would you like to learn how and when to use them? They will help you sound like a native speaker. Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German. In this video, you will be learning a few words that are used in the German slang, that is, in day-to-day life. These words are mostly used in the spoken language or in der Umgangssprache. Once you get a hang of these words, you will soon sound like a native speaker. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos, and more. 10 deutsche Slangwörter. A lot of German native speakers use slang words in daily conversation. You probably might have heard them. Sometimes you just ignore them. Sometimes you look them up on Google. And sometimes you start using them. But it would be cool to use them in your daily conversations. Please don't use them in formal situations. Let's see how you could do that. The first one is geil. Das ist aber eine geile Aussicht. Wir fliegen am Wochenende nach Mallorca. Wie geil! Habt ihr schon die Tickets gebucht? Die Musik hier ist so geil. These were 3 examples for geil. Geil describes something that is nice or cool, delicious or interesting. The actual meaning of this word is different and a little vulgar. However, this doesn't play a role. The usage of this word is very common. Alter. Alter is mostly used to express surprise. Like in English you would use man or dude or Jesus. Alter, ist das dein Haus? A more common form is alter Schwede, mostly used to express surprise. Here is an example. Alter Schwede, du bist aber verrückt. If you are wondering how you are going to use these words, I have a few tips. Don't use all the 10 words we learned today at one go. You can use one word for 4 or 5 days and then switch to the next one. Let your German friends help you. Tell them in advance that you want to use these slang words and they should correct you if you are using them wrong. Moin. Moin is a greeting mostly used in place of good morning. Moin, moin, was geht ab? Moin, alles klar? Krass. Krass is used to express something unbelievable, both in positive and in negative sense. You can use krass when you really like something and when you really don't like something. Let's look at 2 examples. Ameisen schlafen nie. Wie krass ist das denn? Wie krass bist du denn drauf, dass du für uns Muffins gebacken hast? In both cases, you are expressing your surprise. Let's move on to the next one. Irre. The English equivalent for this one is crazy. Bist du irre, so viel Essig in den Salat zu tun? Es war total irre, was du gerade gesagt hast. Assi or antisocial. I generally use this word for someone who I think is uneducated or antisocial. or even for something that looks cheap. I'm sure you have also come across situations where people throw garbage on the street or would smoke in a child's face. Such things really upset me, and I would say, wie assi ist das denn? Here are some more examples. Wie assi ist das denn, dass man nach einem Ausflug so viel Müll hinterlässt? Hast du von Thomas die Assi-Hose gesehen? Hammer! If assi is being used for something that's uncool, hammer can be used for something really cool or outstanding. If you look for an English equivalent, you could say hammer means awesome or mind-blowing. Here are two examples. Was für ein Hammerpreis! Das Konzert war der Hammer. Mist! The expression in English when you do something wrong you shouldn't have done is crap. In German, you use Mist. For example, when you forget your keys. Mist! Ich habe den Schlüssel wieder vergessen. Mist! Ich habe schon wieder den Kaffee verschüttet. Verdammt! Another slang word that has an English equivalent. Damn! Here are two examples. Dieses Restaurant ist verdammt teuer. Verdammt nochmal? Wie oft soll ich dir das noch erklären? Bescheuert. I must admit, this is one of my favorite slang words. You can use it for people you think are crazy or for situations or things that you find dumb or irritating. Der Typ ist echt bescheuert. Wie bescheuert ist das denn, dass heute der Supermarkt geschlossen ist? Another thing you must not forget while using these slang words. Remember to use the correct intonation. Show your expression when you are irritated, angry, or happy, or excited. It helps a lot in understanding. If you liked this video, do mention in the comments which one is your favorite slang word. We will be learning some slang phrases in the next video. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!